Now in this video we're going to show how a medical or healthcare related proposal or a business plan, report study, grant RFP response and so on can be created using Proposal Kit. Now this is a page on the Proposal Kit website, and this is where our list of design themes is located. So how our Proposal Kit works is you first decide on the design theme. That's the visual look you want for all of your documents. So it's going to split 50-50. A lot of people will get our plain design pack, proposal pack for any business. This design is also included in the Proposal Kit Professional. This is the design theme that is just plain black and white text, no extra graphics or colors added to it. And it's good for people doing either plain looking documents like government RFP responses, grant responses, and so on, or for people who want to build their own complete custom design theme using the features in the Proposal Kit Professional. So this is where you can create your own complete design theme based on your own logo, your own graphics, your own font types, color schemes, and so on. For those who want to have a pre-made design theme already ready-made, we have hundreds of design themes. So you can scroll down this page, and if you click this green button, View All Designs, you'll see the hundreds of designs. Or you can come down and look at the design themes by category. So if you go down to the wellness link, that's where you'll have our medical and healthcare specific design themes. Now some of these are line art designs, some are photo-based designs, and we'll be illustrating a number of these. And you can see how some of the design themes are more specific, like say Healthcare 5, that would be more pharmaceutical related. Healthcare number 4, that's dentistry. Healthcare number 2 might be nursing related. Medical 5, that might be EMS type situations. Medical number 2, another pharmaceutical, and a line art design. So you pick a design theme that has colors and graphics that you like the look of, and that might match your logo as well, because you can put your own logo on the pages. So we're going to start with our healthcare number 6 design theme for the first example right here. So with the Wizard software installed, whatever visual design theme you purchased will be the style you have available. And you can purchase multiple designs as well. Most people get one design that fits the look that they want. Kind of like how you would have one business card or one website design. You're going to usually have all your proposals written in one design theme for the most part. So whenever you're going to create a document, proposal, business plan, or report study, and so on, you click this button, number 2, Document Projects, and click the Pick Documents button. This is where you'll find all of the chapters. Now this first page you see will be the 40 most common chapters. Like most people are going to use a combination of cover letter, title page, table of contents, back page, and then you'll fill in the rest of the pages based on the kind of document you need to write. Now there are thousands of these chapters. You only see the first 40 common ones here, but you can click this drop down and get down to chapters that are more specific. So you can come down and click through specific medical, healthcare, wellness, fitness chapters. And every chapter you check off is just going to be another page in the final document that gets built. And you can combine chapters from any categories. So say you're doing a medical, healthcare related proposal that has safety concerns. You might also come down and check off a chapter or 2 from the security, protection, safety categories. For people who want to get started a little faster, we have hundreds of pre-made lists of chapters. And that's where you come over to the Quick Start tab. And there are hundreds and hundreds of pre-made lists of these chapters. So we're just going to search on the word therapy. Because in this first example, we're just going to show an occupational therapy proposal. That's going to be a good one to match with that healthcare number 6 design theme. we're going to pick the occupational therapy services proposal, and we'll import that list. Now this quick start list here also has actual sample content pre-written for it. Not all layouts are going to have pre-written content. Some will have general purpose fill in the blank templates. Either way, you're going to have to do some writing of your own to fill in all the pages of your proposal. So this is the list of chapters for this kind of proposal. Now we can remove chapters we don't think we need. We can add additional chapters. So say if we want to add something to this layout when we build it. So let's say we want to add a page to talk about our facilities and certifications. We'll just check those off. And you can see these pages were added down here. And we can move the facilities up to here, and certifications, let's move that right under the qualifications page. Once we have all the chapters for our specific kind of proposal we want to create, click the OK, Use Selected Templates button. And the next thing to do is enter the company data and client data screens. So the company data, this is going to be your information, the person writing the proposal typically, your name, address, contact information. And then the client data screen, this is going to be the name, address, contact information for the person you're writing the proposal or document to. Or just leave this one blank for this example. Now I've turned off this Excel dynamic links feature for now, just for the purpose of this demo. With the Expert edition of our software in the Proposal Kit Professional, this does allow you to link the cells of Excel spreadsheets for cost and schedule templates to the Word document. And that way you can update your calculations, schedules, costs, and so on in a spreadsheet and have it auto update into the Word documents. So once we've set our data and our templates, got the project set up, when we click this OK Save Project button, this is when the wizard actually assembles the whole document. It's going to take the design theme we've selected, the quick start list of chapters, it's going to pull in that sample content if you're building a layout that has sample content, and it's going to apply the name and address, contact information, and so on. It's going to build all of that into a complete Word document. So just sit back and wait for that to build. All right, now this document's been generated. Let's take a look at that, see what it looks like. And you can see the tags here. This is because we did not fill in the data for that client data screen. And these are just text you can edit. Now this information here is pulled from the company data screen that we did fill in. And you'll see the healthcare number 6 design theme, and the logo design kind of matches for some kind of therapy type proposal or a business. You can see the list of chapters we selected for this proposal. And you can just scroll down and see the entire document ready to be finished filling in. Once you finish your writing, you'll just save these as a PDF file, print them, upload them to another system, deliver them however you need. So we're going to show another example of a healthcare related proposal. And we're going to show the healthcare number 4 design theme. Now note that only the design theme or themes you purchased will be selectable in the list. We just happen to have all of them in here for the demo. Now healthcare number 4 is more of a dental design theme. And we'll add another project for a dental services proposal. And you can search for the word dental, or you could just scroll down the list since we know we have one that's labeled dental. Find it right here, select it, and import the chapters. And this quick start layout just happens to have sample content associated with it. And you see the list of chapters here. Now we can reorder these, we can add additional chapters, we can customize that layout. We're just going to stick with the stock layout of chapters. Click the OK Selected Templates. And once we click the OK Save Project and Build Documents button, the wizard will build this dental services proposal. Okay, that document is generated. Let's open that up, take a look at it. And just like before, you'll see the document laid out, but now we have a dental design theme, healthcare number 4, and the set of chapters for this specific situation. And you can see it pulled in the sample content for some of these pages as well. And this document's ready to finish editing in your word processor. Now we'll show a third example using a different design theme and a different layout. Now we'll show the healthcare number 5 design theme. Now this design theme has more of a pharmaceutical look to it, and we'll pair that with a layout that's more of a pharmaceutical type proposal. And like before, we'll go over to the Quick Start tab, and we're just going to scroll down because I just happen to know we have a pharmaceutical sales proposal layout. I could also just as easily click the Search Import List button and just type the word pharmaceutical. But since this is all alphabetically laid out, I'll click the Pharmaceutical Product Sales Proposal layout, import that. And this layout also just happens to have sample content as well, so we'll pull that in. And that's the layout of chapters. It's selected. And just like the others, we could add new chapters, we could remove chapters, or organize the chapters using these other tabs, search by name, add templates, and so on. So when we're done selecting all the chapters, click the OK Use Selected Templates button. Fill in your company data, client data screens. And when you're all ready, click the OK Save Project button. All right, now this document's been generated. And as we scroll down, you'll see the design theme, the list of chapters. This is the sample content that's been pulled in from the sample. You can edit, and so on. So you can see each document we generate, even though they look different and they're for different situations, it's just a matter of using a design theme and then pulling in a list of chapters for a specific situation and assembling the whole thing into a document. So I'll show one last example here. And we'll illustrate this with the healthcare number 2 design theme. Now this healthcare 2 is a line art design theme, whereas the others we were showing you were photo design themes. And this example we're showing is going to be for a nonprofit medical clinic. So this time we'll search the import list for the word clinic. and I'll just pick the medical clinic project proposal. And you can see this is a much longer document. Now, documents that start getting this long are better done in the Proposal Kit Professional, since the novice editions are limited to building 10-page documents, which cover most small business proposals. Once you get into over 10 pages, when you get into 20s, 30 pages documents, most people are going to use the Professional edition, which also gives you a lot more software features for custom building complex documents like this. And we'll build this document and show a final example. Okay, this document's been generated. Take a look at that. And now you can see this healthcare number 2 design theme. And you note the colors might be a little faded in some of these demos you see here. That's just because our graphics are in the headers of these pages, and Word kind of fades out those in its display mode. So if you double click into the headers, you see the full color of these graphics. Now when you print any of these documents, save them as PDFs, for example, to deliver, all the full colors in all these pages comes out. So don't worry if you see graphics that look a little faded in the background. That's just how Word works. It's totally normal. All right, so we can scroll down, see all of the pages of this proposal. And you scroll down, just like every other document, it's just a specific design theme, color scheme, and a set of chapters for a specific situation. Now, for example, if you're using our Expert Edition, there are calculator spreadsheets for all of these financial related and schedule pages. So you can do your calculations in these Excel spreadsheets. All the numbers will be calculated for you. And if you are using the Expert Edition of our Proposal Kit Professional, you can actually link the cells of these spreadsheets directly to the Word documents. So as you do your calculations, they will auto-update into the Word documents. Using our Novice Edition with just the standalone proposal packs, then these are just separate spreadsheets, and you can manually type in the numbers into the Word document. So you can see how we've shown a number of design themes and a number of completely different types of healthcare related proposals. Using the proposal kit, all you have to do is pick a specific design theme and then any number of chapters out of the library of 2,000 plus topics, and you can create any kind of proposal or report or business plan, grant response, RFP response document you need. There are just countless different situations. Everybody's situations will be different, and it's just a matter of selecting an appropriate set of chapters, assembling them into a Word document, and filling in the pages. And we're here to help if you need help picking out a set of chapters. You can always contact us, tell us what your situation is, and we can help you map that to a set of chapters. And that's all there is to it for creating a healthcare or medical related document using Proposal Kit. Let us know what you think in the comments below, and click subscribe to keep up on the latest proposal writing tips with Proposal Kit.